I've got 3 easy ways for you to boost protection for your online business. Ready? Thing number 1, do a contract audit. What's a contract audit? A contract audit is where you read through your contract and think about areas where maybe your clients misunderstood your policies or didn't see a policy that you might have, either the way that you were doing something in your contract, whatever it was. So you read your contract looking for those things, trying to remember over the past couple months or year or so where those areas were, and then make changes where you need to. Thing number 2, consider LLC protection. LLC means limited liability company, and it literally limits your personal liability to form an LLC and stick to any requirements that there might be. Each state might be a little bit different, but LLC protection is key when it comes to liability, responsibility for anything that might go wrong in your business. The goal for forming an LLC is to separate you personally from your business. And then third, use the TM symbol. This surprises some people because they think, I don't have a registered trademark, I can't use the TM symbol. Yes, you can. You can use that TM symbol with an unregistered trademark. That might be on the banner of your website, on any graphics that you create, anywhere where you're using your trademark in that kind of traditional brand sense. Banner of your website, graphics, those types of areas are great areas to use the TM symbol. So those are the 3 things: contract audit, LLC formation, and TM symbol. Hope that helps.